Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. I hope you all had a great weekend. This week in reading, we are going to start something new. It's not something so difficult to explain over the computer, so don't worry. What we're going to do is we're going to be looking at non-fiction books, so teaching books, and we are going to be looking at the pictures really closely and the text and deciding if the information that we're learning, did we learn it from the picture or from the text or the words? So if we look at this first page of Buzzy Bee's Landform comic strip, okay, we're going to study this picture and we're going to read this text and then we're going to look at the picture, or at the questions, excuse me. So looking at the picture, it looks like they're in a desert. I see, everything's red. There's not really green. There's no grass or trees. I see something that's kind of like mountains, except they're flat on the top. Okay, and then Buzzy says, the top is so flat, we can have a picnic on it. The text says, a plateau is an area of high ground that is mostly flat on top. So the question is, are plateaus flat on top? Well, based off the picture and the text, I would say yes. So then the next part says, is the answer found in the text, the picture, or both? So the question is, did you learn that plateaus are flat from the words, or from the picture, or both? Right, both of them. We can look in the picture and see that these things are flat, okay? And the text also says, a plateau is an area of high ground that is mostly flat on top. So that also answers the question. So looking at this next one, we're going to do the same thing. First, I want you to study the picture. And now we're going to read the text. The coast is where land and water meet. It can be rocky, sandy, or grassy. And that's called a coast. What is Buzzy's favorite landform? Up here it says the coast is my favorite. So Buzzy's favorite landform is, that's right, the coast. But did we learn that from the text down here or the picture up here? Right, we had to look at the picture up top. Good job. This is the last one we're going to do together. So again, take a couple seconds, study this picture. What do you see? What do you notice? Buzzy says, "Brr, it's cold up here." Now we're going to read the text. It says, a mountain is a landform that is higher than the land around it. So the question is, what color are the mountains? Right, they're gray. So was that answer found in the text, the picture, or both? Right, we had to look at the picture to figure out that those mountains were gray, their color. It doesn't talk about their color down here in the text. Good job. So those are 3 examples of kind of what we're going to be doing this week. We're not going to practice with it today, but Tuesday through the rest of the week through Friday, you are going to be practicing how to determine if the information we're learning came from the picture, the text, or both.